in the revision which you have done in your home. Any doubt or any discussion which you want to do with me? So again, today there are two things. Number one, test of chapter trigonometry is planned on the portal. Schedule on portal from 12.05 to 12:20. That means 15-minute test is there. It is scheduled on the portal 12:05 to 12:20. So all of you will give that test. Today I have two periods. Then again we will have a period from 12:40 onwards. Okay. So till 12:05 we will do the teaching here, and afterwards you will go. You will go for the test. Then after that, again there will be period. So first teaching up to 12:03, then test from 12:05 to 12:20, then teaching from 12:40 to 1:15. This is the schedule of today. So today again I will give you the revision of probability and area related to circle, and tomorrow there is a test of polynomial. Tomorrow there is a test of polynomial in the same way. And please prepare your test very carefully because these will be added in your assessments. Any query to any of the students, please switch on your mic, speak so that I can listen.
No, sir.
Any other student who want to say something, who want to ask something?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Switch on the cameras, please. All the students. Switch on the cameras quickly. Either come to class or switch on the cameras. Because again, I'm telling you, the paper will not be easy and it will be an offline paper. You have to come to school to give your paper. So make habit of practicing the questions. Otherwise, it will be a big trouble for you. Aditya's have not made camera on. Pavanveer also. Mohit has some query. Mohit, is there any query of you? Mohit?
Sir, I just want to ask about basic and standard maths.
There are two maths. One is basic and second is standard. Although difficulty level of both the papers will be almost same, कुछ ऐसा नहीं है, because if I'll see from the last 2-3 years, the difficulty level will be same. So basic maths will be taken by those students who want to leave maths, in 11. Standard maths is for them who want maths in 11. Maths in 11 means those who want to go for non-medical and commerce with math. So basic maths, those who want to go for medical, commerce without maths.
Sir, doesn't medical come in standard?
But
Sir,
If
I
you have
have
a if
chosen
you have
standard.
if you have a standard, you can opt for non-medical, you can opt for commerce with maths, you can opt for medical, you can opt for humanities. It is up to you. Clear? Lekin if you have a basic maths, then you cannot take maths in 11. If you have standard maths, you can take maths in 11. You can leave maths in 11. This is up to you. Both the choices are open with you. आप मैथ्स 11वीं में छोड़ भी सकते हैं, मैथ्स 11वीं में ले भी सकते हैं, लेकिन बेसिक मैथ्स वालों के पास सिर्फ एक ही ऑप्शन है कि उनको मैथ्स 11वीं में छोड़ना पड़ेगा, वो ले नहीं सकते. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल.
Yes, sir.
एनी
Yes,
डाउट
sir.
इन दिस, एनी क्वेरी फर्दर? किसी की कोई और क्वेरी? नो. तो आज का शेड्यूल आपको क्लियर हो गया. 12:03 तक मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगा. उसके बाद 12:05 से लेके 12:20 तक पोर्टल पे टेस्ट शेड्यूल्ड है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का. उसके बाद 12:40 से 1:15 तक फिर यहाँ टीचिंग होगी, जिसमें मैं प्रोबेबिलिटी के क्वेश्चंस, केस स्टडीज और एरिया रेट को रिवाइज कराऊंगा. कल आपका टेस्ट होगा पॉलिनोमियल का. क्लियर? इसी तरह से पोर्टल के ऊपर. किसी को कोई डाउट इसमें?
No, sir.
Great.
No, sir.
चलिए, come to the first question. Question number 1. Which of the following cannot be the probability of the event? मैं अभी बोलता हूँ, कौन मेरे को आंसर देगा. Which of the following cannot be the probability of the event? इसमें से कौन सी किसी इवेंट की प्रोबेबिलिटी नहीं है? तो ये मेरे को आंसर देगा. हितिका विल गिव मी द आंसर. Hitika.
17/16.
17/16 is not the probability of the event. Why? Because this is more than 1. 17/16 is greater than 1. So probability can never exceed 1 and cannot less than 0. Clear? So probability is always vary between 0 to 1. You can note it down on your notebooks. मेरी शक्ल मत देखिए. Clear? जो भी important points हैं, it should be on your notebooks. So probability always vary between 0 to 1. It can never be more than 1. It can never be less than 0. My second question. An event is very unlikely to happen. एक इवेंट की होने की संभावना बहुत कम है. Unlikely to happen. Okay. Its probability is closest to. इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी किसके क्लोज है? फर्स्ट पार्ट 0.123, 0.001, 0.01, 0.1. ये मेरे को आंसर देगा 51. एक इवेंट के होने के चांसेस बहुत कम है. एन इवेंट इज वेरी अनलाइकली टू हैपन. इट्स प्रोबेबिलिटी शुड क्लोज टू 51. ये अच्छा, व्हाई दिस? सो व्हाई आर यू थिंकिंग दैट इट शुड बी? Well, why you think that this should be the answer?
Because it is very small number.
It is very small number.
It have less.
Perfect. बिल्कुल ठीक. Because when the event is unlikely to happen, its probability should go towards 0. तो 0 तो पास होनी चाहिए. अब देखिए 0 के सबसे पास कौन सा नंबर है? 0.1 बड़ा है, ये उससे छोटा है, ये उससे छोटा, तो सबसे छोटा नंबर मेरे पास ये हो गया. So this is the correct answer. Very good. Clear? Why? Because this is very near to 0. Okay? So the event which is the event whose chances are very less to happen. The probability of that event will be very near to 0. Next is question number 3. Now, probability of an event is P. अब एक किसी इवेंट के होने की probability P है. Then probability of its complement. अब complement मीनिंग क्या होता है बेटा? उससे उल्टा. तो अगर किसी इवेंट के होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी P है तो उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या हुआ? ना होना. बात क्लियर होगी? अगर किसी इवेंट के ना होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी P है तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट उसका क्या हुआ? इवेंट का होना. तो यहाँ पे मेरे को क्या दे रखा है कि प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एन इवेंट इज P. तो व्हाट शुड बी द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दैट इवेंट डजंट हैपन? उसके ना होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी बताएगी मेरे को हर अमृत बताइए जी. हर अमृत. I think the student is not there. See, if you are showing on the screen, but you will not respond to me, I will directly put 0. Pawan V, what should be the answer? So, Haramrit, if you are not able to unmute, then you can give me answer in writing here on chat. Click quickly. I'm giving you a minute. 30 seconds. Probability of an event to happen, it is P. What is the probability of its complement? Itika is saying 0. Okay. Lavandeep is saying 1 minus P. Good. Rest of the students, जिससे मैं नहीं पूछता हूँ, they can give me the answer on chat. तो chat से मेरे को आंसर दे सकते हैं, but बोल के नहीं. बोल के वही देगा जिसको मैं बोलूँगा. Chat से you are open. So the correct answer is 1 minus P. तो मैं आपको अभी बता चुका हूँ कि probability of an event to happen, this is P. तो इसका complement क्या हुआ? इसका उल्टा क्या हुआ? Probability of an event not to happen. तो अगर किसी इवेंट के होने की चांसेस जो हैं वो x हैं, तो उसके ना होने के चांसेस क्या होंगे? 1 माइनस x. क्यों? किसी इवेंट के होने के प्लस ना होने के चांसेस हमेशा 1 के बराबर होते हैं. सो
So
प्रोबेबिलिटी.
can we say probability of event plus probability of not event equal to 1?
हाँ, तो
Probability of
प्रोबेबिलिटी
event equal to 1 minus probability of not
हाँ.
event.
सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द कॉम्प्लीमेंट? कॉम्प्लीमेंट मींस उल्टा. अगर होने की दे रखी है तो ना होने की निकालो, अगर ना होने की दे रखी है तो होने की निकालो. क्लियर? लेकिन 1 में से माइनस करके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question. The probability expressed as a percentage of a particular occurrence can never be A less than 100, B less than 0, C greater than 1, Anything but a whole number. Which answer is correct? So it will be given by uh, Lavindi.
Sir, less than 0.
Great, very good. It should be less than 0. कितिका बेटा आपने मेरे को आंसर दिया था C. So C is greater than 1. See, probability can be positive because I am talking about the percentage. Percentage means out of 100. What do you mean by the percentage? Percentage mean out of 100. So out of 100, it can be greater than 1. It can be less than 100, but it can never be less than 0. Why? Negative probability कभी नहीं होती. Clear?
Okay,
So,
sir.
perfect. Negative property. आप कंफ्यूज हो गए 0 और 1 के बीच के अंदर, लेकिन आपने ये भूल गए यहाँ पे कि यहाँ पे मैंने परसेंटेज दे रखा है. परसेंटेज मीन्स आउट ऑफ 100. So out of 100, 1 can be there, but it can never be negative. So less than 0 will not be there. Next question. देखो कितने क्वेश्चंस आपके रिवाइज हो गए, कोई पता नहीं इसमें से कुछ आ जाए. चलिए, कम टू द नेक्स्ट. आप बहुत मेहनत से अपने से टेस्ट दे, give the test on the portal, and at 12:40 again I will go to some case studies of probability and area related to circles. तो कम से कम 2 चैप्टर अच्छी तरह से तैयार हो जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट इज question. A card is selected from 52 cards. Probability being a red face is. Now, what is the probability of red face? The answer will be given by. It will be given by Dilpreet. It will be given by Dilpreet.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it 1 by 13?
This is 1 over 13. Let's see. Anybody else? Only saying it is 6. No, but how the probability can be 6? It should not be greater than 1. Now see, total cards with me 52. Red face. Red face means face card. There are 3 cards of one color of red and 3 face cards of another color of red. One is K, second is Q, next is J. These are the 3 face cards. तो एक हम जिसको बोलते हैं आप क्लब, and heart. So there are 3 plus 3, total 6 face cards are there. So probability क्या होती है? Favorable event upon total events. My favorable is 6, total is 52. So 3 by 26 is my answer. Next question. Last question. Then at 12:40, again we will meet. Find the probability of a non-leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sundays. Probability of non-leap year which contain 53 Sundays.
Sir, is the question this much only?
G. Anji, sorry.
Sir, is the question this much only?
Anji. So you go and give the test. I will discuss these questions at 12:40 when you will again come. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
One boy, 11 has given the correct answer. Thank you. Okay, so we'll discuss. Don't worry. Right. Thank you.